Hey, welcome back to Plastic Madness, and again today we're going to be looking at another figure from these uh, model kits, Transformers model kits experience, Galaxy version for the little bit of a Google Translate I did. It looks like this is just something about the first wave or wave one, something similar over here, but so the characters look the same, so I'm gonna go with wave one. And something here says about like I think I might be wrong, but this is about like these are the kind of like the old stars Transformers, so that's why you get these guys over here. And it's also easy because you got like just pretty much the same molds. You only have like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 molds, and most of them they're sharing pieces, so one part. You know, it's one thing I didn't notice over here. Didn't mention the other day is that this is kind of like you get like the actual scale of the figure. Yeah, Megatron over here. One more thing, the blast effect, it fits on Megatron's fusion cannon. So yeah, it's just when I didn't realize you had to put this little piece in here. Didn't realize because I didn't look at the instructions, but yeah. So yeah, you can put this in here. So back to this figure. All right, so let's open this and see what it is. Again, you're gonna know what it is because by the time that you're watching this video, watch it. Don't do like with this one that it only has like a few views. Watch this one and that one and all of them. Yeah, just watch them. Look at me demanding people to watch my videos. Like, all right. Again, you get the coming soon. Geez, Starscreams and Grimlock. All right, open these. Let's open this. Now, oh, we have red hands. So this is probably Ratchet, I think. Yeah, probably it's Ratchet. Just looking by going by the pictures. Yep. Ooh. Nice. Yep, you good. Ratchet. QR code. And oh, he comes with another blast effect. Cool. Put that on the side. Instructions. Let's remove some of the things that we're gonna need, which is like pretty much all of them. The joints for the elbows, knees, and shoulders. Wow, that took a while. You know, I had to go over the head, shoulders, and then toes, knees and toes song to remember what's what. All right, so you get this. This is the torso, and he is the GV0104. Again, 2023 Hasbro, all right reserved. Authentic figures. Hasbro figures. Yay. Alright, he comes with the same gun that everyone seems to have. All the Autobots, they have the same gun on the side. Alright, let's build the joints, have them ready. Okay, that was not what I need. There you go. That's incorrect. Let's go the other way. There we go. Okay, let's put it close to the camera. There we go. And last one. All right, let's put the little shoulders adapters. Let's find the chest, which is nice artwork there for Ratchet. All right, and the back piece, which doesn't have much, just that. Okay, that. All right, let's build a little. Build the waist. Of course, he has some decals added to the front piece of the crotch. Nothing for the back. So so far looks like the one for Thundercracker is the one that has like nothing in the front or the back. So yep. All right, let's put this in here for the neck. All right, let's start building from the legs up. All right, front legs, back legs over here. There we go. Put this in there. There's a hair. Find the feet. Again, feet are the same for all of them. So you can just put them together. Here's the foot. All right, and let's put the knee joints in here. Oh, they flew away. All right. Okay, I know it didn't click, but let's do. There we go. Okay, let's do the same with this one. I'm gonna do the same. This one seems to be harder than to clip it in place than the other ones. I don't know why, but there we go. Yeah, because if you didn't push all the way inside, then like you get all these issues, like I was having with what you call it, Thundercracker. All right. Okay, and we have this. All right, let's build Ratchet's face, which is not. I feel like they're using the same mold for the other ones. I don't know. I'll have to check. Push this in there. With a push. There we go. And this is what it looks so far. Pretty good. Not much paint on this figure. Right. He doesn't need the little opening on the side, so those can be facing the inside. Okay. this way. And another thing you gotta make sure is that you put the red crosses facing the front. Yep. There we go. Do the same for the other one. Okay. And we do this one over here with the shoulder pad. Clip it in place. And now we're gonna put, let's do left hand close and yep. Right hand open. There we go. Have the platform over here. And that's pretty much him done. Put the gun there. So you can put this in there like this. Which that's okay, but I might just keep Ratchet without the gun. There we go. From the back. Looks cool. Nice details. I mean, it has plenty of sculpts all over the bottom part of the legs, and a few decals, but they're very well applied. Yep. Again, these figures probably they go well with, like, if you have some Legends Transformers, you can just transform them. And like, for example, I have some where are those, the Hot Soldiers that no one collects those, so I can probably put Ratchet in vehicle mode and put him this one next to him. I have Ironhide too, so when I open Ironhide I can just have them like that. I don't know, a couple of ideas. All right, let's remove this. And I guess that's it. All right, so there we go. All right, so this was the review for the Transformers model kits experience. And an open box here. There we go. Probably it's gonna be the next one. Nice little figures, nice little model kits that I got from Showzy store. I'm gonna put the link in the description. They sell them as a box of 9, and there's a chance that you might get like a special edition of Optimus Prime. Hopefully I'm getting this one, but we'll see. In the meantime, I'll keep opening and making short videos with the rest. And all right, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like it. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe, all those things. I started making videos again, so hopefully I can get at least 3 or 4 videos every week, hopefully. And well, we'll see how that goes. All right, well, again, thanks for watching, and take care. All right, see ya. Bye.